everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last year I made eggnog cupcakes for the holidays. This year I wanted to put a little spin on my eggnog cupcakes from last year, and this is what I came up with. Eggnog Latte Cupcake. Coffee and eggnog, how can you go wrong? We have a spiced eggnog cupcake topped with an espresso eggnog buttercream. This cupcake has a super soft crumb and is delicious. They're super easy to make and they're festive, so why not? So let's start off by beating a half cup of butter on high speed for about 1 minute. Add the sugar and beat on high speed for about 2 minutes until creamed together. Next we're going to add our egg whites, vanilla, and sour cream. Beat on medium-high speed until combined. Next we'll add our cake flour, our cinnamon and nutmeg, our baking powder and baking soda, and salt. Of course, the star, eggnog. Now I'm going to give these cupcakes a little shake and a little drop on the counter. That will get rid of any air bubbles. And into the oven we go. These are going to bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. While our cupcakes are cooking, let's go ahead and make the espresso eggnog buttercream. We'll beat 2 sticks of unsalted butter for about 2 minutes on medium speed. Add powdered sugar, the coffee mixture, and the eggnog. Our coffee eggnog buttercream is so light and fluffy. This is going to be great. But as always, I'm going to taste this first. See what we got with the coffee and the eggnog. I cannot wait for these cupcakes to cool so that we can frost them. Now for the fun part, the decorating part. These cupcakes are going to be exactly what they are. Eggnog cupcakes with a espresso eggnog buttercream. No glitzy decoration. I am going to put a little bit of decoration on there, but I want the cupcake to just be what it is. Eggnog with a espresso eggnog buttercream. Let's get started. This is a Wilton 1M decorating tip, and I just put some of the buttercream in a pastry bag, an icing bag, and I'm just going to pipe on frosting like this. Right now, I think these look amazing just as they are, but I do have a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm just going to do a little light dusting of cinnamon over the tops like this. I also have these cocoa baton wafers, I guess you call them, and these waffle cookies, and I'm going to decorate. I'm just going to put them in here on the cupcakes just for a little added decoration. And here we are, eggnog cupcakes with a chocolate eggnog buttercream. What more could you want? Well, thanks for joining me today while we make these eggnog cupcakes. I hope you get a chance to make them. I think they'll be a great addition to your holiday season. Thanks. See you again soon. Our eggnog cupcakes with the chocolate eggnog. Our eggnog cupcake. Oh my God. With the chocolate eggnog